What is going on, guys? This is Trio3 and we are back with another video. Today we will tell you about some interesting and historical places in Delhi. Do visit there and gain a lot of experience and make memories. Akshardham Temple, an epitome of Indian culture, spirituality and architecture. Akshardham Temple is a famous Hindu temple and a spiritual cultural complex, also known as Swaminarayan Akshardham. It is dedicated to Lord Swaminarayan. Akshardham has made its way to the Guinness Book of World Record as the world's largest comprehensive Hindu temple. Lotus Temple, located in the national capital of New Delhi, the Lotus Temple is an edifice dedicated to the Baha'i faith. The magnificent structure of this building upfolds in the form of stupendous white petal lotus and is one of the most visited establishments in the world. The design of this shrine was conceptualized by Canadian architect Fariboraj Shaba and was completed in the year 1986. National Gallery of Modern Art. India is a country of art lovers, and National Gallery of Modern Arts Nagma is no less than heaven for them, following its motto of delivering an excellent world of art to its visitors. National Gallery of Modern Art Delhi preserves paintings and other artistic pieces dating back to 1850s. It was established on March 29, 1954 by the Indian government. Rashtrapati Bhavan, located on the western end of the Rajpath in New Delhi, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. It was originally built with the intent of serving as the Viceroy's house. The construction saw completion in the year 1929 and now stand today as the magnificent symbol of all that India is. Its current inhabitant is President Ram Nath Kovind, who assumed office in July 2017. Waste to Wonder Park, latest addition to Delhi's list of attractions. Waste to Wonder Park features the replicas of icon 7 wonders of the world, created from industrial and other waste. One of its kind theme park in the world. Located near Nizamuddin metro station, it was inaugurated at the Rajiv Gandhi Smriti 1. Red Fort or Lal Killa. The Red Fort is a historical fortification in the old Delhi area. Shah Jahan constructed it in the year 1639 as a result of a capital shift from Agra to Delhi. Today, this monument is a home to several museums that have an assortment of precious artifacts on display. Every year, the Indian Prime Minister unfurls the national flag here on the Independence Day. Connaught Place or Sippy, as it is more commonly known, is a massive commercial and financial center in New Delhi, named after the Duke of Connaught and Strathern. This confusing market complex houses almost all famous international chain stores, famous food chains, restaurants and the bars. Connaught Place has one of the largest national flags in the country. Being one of the most popular after dark destinations, no visit to Delhi is complete without a visit to the Connaught Place.